Everybody knows if you want to source something from China, all you need to do is go to Alibaba. Easy. But what if you want to source something from India? India's friggin' awesome. About the same amount of people in India as is in China. There's a shitload of great factories there too. So what the hell do you do if you want to source from India instead of China? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the best places to source from. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you build your business on Amazon, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more like this and I can give you more like this. Also consider subscribing to my channel because we very weird, post new content like this each and every day, all about helping you make muchos cashola on Amazon. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below in the video, underneath this video, and I'll be sure to get to those too. All right, let's get into it. Sarah asked me all about how to go about sourcing from India. And so I thought I would show you the best places in India to source from, because it's not Alibaba. That's not where you want to source from for India. But these are the best places, okay, ranked in order of best to still good, but not as good. All right, these are all good, but not as good. So this is the best one. IndiaMart.com. IndiaMart.com. This is the best one. It's the biggest one. It's their Alibaba equivalent. You know, it's their Alibaba equivalent. I've had great success sourcing from here. Continue to have good success from it. Yeah, I think this is, if you're going to start anywhere, start here. All right, and then whilst you're getting your quotes from there, this is the number 2. Trade India, but it's about a quarter of the size, something like that, of India Mart. So just to kind of conceptualize that for you, it's still good, but it's about a quarter of the size. Okay, about a quarter size. But some things, like you can see already what the sort of difference is. Look at what's kind of going on here. It's much more different stuff to what you're going to find on here. Okay, this tends to be more specialized. So there's this, really good. And then in number 3 place is Exporters India. This is actually a new website, but so far so good. From what I can tell, what they're doing is, well, what it seems like they're doing anyway. I don't know this for sure, but it seems like what they're doing is going to everybody what sells on here, they're going here to get them onto that platform. So it's a newish website relative to those other two. But still, there's some good stuff on here, built on the same architecture and framework as that, by the look of it. But that's good too. Okay, so they're your 3 easy places to start. However, I actually think the best way to source is to go look at what trade shows are happening. And you can't go to the trade shows. No worries at all. You can't get to go to them. This is something that Kathy and I spoke about heaps, actually, is going to India to go and do a sourcing trip over there. We both source from India. It's a fantastic place to source. But you can't go to India at the minute. But there's still trade shows going on. So if you come to 10times.com, 10times.com, and if you just want the direct URL, it's 10times.com/India/trade shows. Okay. And then you'll see all of the trade shows that are coming up. Let's just go into the chat. Boom. There you go. All of the trade shows that are coming up, you'll get to see. And what I do is just go and look at who's exhibiting at these trade shows and then contact those people directly. That's how I do it. I think that's arguably the well, it's not better. It's just a different way of doing it, because people who go to trade shows are a much different factory than somebody who just puts their stuff onto India Mart, for instance. So could you imagine, I don't know, you don't find Apple sourcing for suppliers on Alibaba. That's not where they source their suppliers from. Okay, what they do is they go to trade shows and they go and speak with these factories directly. That's what they do. Okay, so we can copy that and we can kind of use Apple's methodology to find awesome places of ourselves. And this is a really good way of doing it. Like, it's a shame that that GiftX got postponed. That's traditionally an awesome place for gift, which is a great niche as well, for gifting. That's awesome. But there's heaps of them, look. There's heaps of them, okay? So that's what I would do if I were in your shoes. I want to source from India. Of course, you know, check out India Mart, check out these Trade India, etc. By all means, start there, okay? But just know, when you really want to go for it, this is what you'd do. You'd go to a trade show, of course. But given that you can't, pull up somebody in your niche, beauty fair, if you're into beauty and health and beauty and things like that. See who's exhibiting, go check them out, contact them directly. That's the much, much better way of doing it. You'll get a much better result. Sarah, you are welcome. I thought it was a cool question. Hello, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and that was a video from my Monday night Q&A session that I have with the members of the awesome Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of professional sellers here in Australia. Over 2,500 members with sales, by the way, of over $50 million on Amazon. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and come and join us, go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and we will welcome you with open arms. Come, Kin! See you soon.